Honestly, guys, I don't like this chart of ICP, and of course, I don't like the charts of BDC. So I would like to show you just a local update for internet computer. Talking for me personally, we just in the boring range now since this top. We formed like 1, 2, 3 tops. And of course, there is no trend line or something, even if we cut all noise and form something like this one. So there is no trend line. Someone can add the trend line like this one, local one, but no makes sense to count it because chart all the time move on the right side. So anyway, one day we're gonna break this line. I add this trend line and this like yearly support, and now it's gonna be a resistance, yearly open on 25. And this is going to be like a target and a magnet for the price. I would like to show you guys the main and new indicator what I will release this summer. And by the way, congrats everybody with the beginning of the summer, Zone 26. I hope this summer will be not like summer Zone 22. And I that some altcoins will perform at least just like speculation, like a portal, for example. 500% in just a few days. Why other altcoins not perform like this one? I have no idea. Maybe because it's easy to pump and dump the low cap tokens. All right, so let's hide all of these trend lines and double check the data. So guys, this indicator I will post the tutorial, the explanation how to work with. So take a look 2 times on a daily time frame. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, like a signals of sells. And after that, we get a 2 signal confirmed sell. And now, based on the metrics, fair price of ICP is $2.50. We trade above the fair price. Main trend is uptrend. Volatility 16 cents. What does it mean? The 0.16? It's a 16 cents range now on a daily time frame. So usually when we trade in the tiny ranges, soon we will see some pump or dump, and it's not like it's all the time in some direction. No, it's impulsive move. It's going to be the impulsive move up or down when we trade a long-term period in a low volatility range. Volume below the average volume, and there is no signal, no buy, no sells. That's why we can hide this table and take a look on the data. On the weekly time frame, of course, guys, we underrated, but we can retest this line. About all of these lines, I will post another video. I hope we will not drop to $1.46, but it's possible. Keep in mind this target. Let's go also to the take profit indicator and double check where the buy line. Like you can see, it's totally different metrics because maybe you could see the indicator can say, oh, it's just a updated take profit indicator. No, it's totally absolutely different algorithm, absolutely totally different data. And based on the take profit indicator, we trade on the weekly time frame underrated. But what's the take profit not showing us? This is this support block, support even the line. Previously, we retested in June somewhere to 3. And imagine after that, 2 years, we come back and tested in October at somewhere to 5 on a Donald Trump dump. And now we didn't retest. That's why $1.45, it sounds scary, right? But it's a support. A daily time frame, here, the support block is like $1.97. For me personally, let's hide the take profit. And this indicator, for me personally, this liquidity, this one pool, like under the $2.01, it's like a magnet for the price. I hope we will not see that drop, but honestly, guys, when we leave like 1, 2 times this type of liquidity, for me, it's not extra bullish. Let's turn on the break of structure, also not a break of structure, or the block and the liquidity pools. 12 time frame. Here's the order blocks, what we can retest. It's 225 and 207. Weekly time frame, there is no data, maybe just above this order blocks, but it's too early to talk about it. So the conclusion, guys, if we will see, the good volatility this summer, if we will see the some BTC dominance finally drop, maybe we'll break this hypothetical trend line. We can adjust it, like this one, for example, here. So we can test first 674, this one, and after that go to the main direction, what I showed you before. If we come back to the take profit indicator, we underrated, but it's too early to open some longs position. That's why I'm wait at the main direction on a BTC dominance. I don't care about a BTC. And the take profit line is can be 723 on a weekly time frame, and the exit line 811. So the best, the most positive scenario for the ICP is something like this one this summer. If not, guys, we can grab this liquidity and only after that recover more. The worst case, if we drop under the October low. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about ICP. If you like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.